Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you a exclusive from Real Steel. It is a KnifeCenter exclusive Gslip, so the full size version of the previously shown in my channel with the compact Gslip compact, and the model number is 7844. Natural micarta. There are other numbers if you're interested, but if you want one, then I strongly suggest go check out Knife Center. They have this one on the site currently available. Don't know how many of them were made and how many or how long they will be available. Okay, so inside we have a paper regarding the disassemblage of different models, quick info about different knives they made. Here is the Gslip and here is the Luna. So basically I'm continuing the theme of micarta knives this year here on my channel, so if you're interested in those, check out my previous knife videos or check out the playlist Knives with Micarta. Okay, here's a quick reference guide. I will be talking about the specifications in a minute, so but let's show the knife. So the packaging is always beautiful with the Real Steel. They have really a nice attention to details. These are hard form inserts to protect the knife, and the knife itself is wrapped in a really nice microfiber cloth. And here's the knife itself with this beautiful Norplex-Micarta, and I will be talking about this type of micarta later on. So but now let me give you the specifications. So this design is made by Ostap Hel. We have a overall length of 19.8 centimeters or 7.8 inches. The blade length is 9 centimeters or 3.5 inches. The blade width is 1.9 centimeters or 0.7 inches, and the thickness is 2.3 millimeters or 0.1 inch. The handle length is 11 centimeters or 4.3 ounces with the thickness of 1 centimeter or 0.4 inches without the pocket clip, of course. Materials used on this one, we have VG10 stainless steel with a nice satin drop point blade with a wide blood groove for opening. We have nested stainless steel liners which are nicely and deep skeletonized, and on the top we have this nice beautiful canvas natural micarta. This micarta is made by Norplex. If you want to know more about this company, they are a huge manufacturer of micarta from United States. They have different factories around the world. Basically, they are a leading manufacturer of high performance thermoset composite materials based on impregnation and lamination technology. So they have a headquarters located in Postville, Iowa, USA. And now I'm really happy to know that when I'm talking about a really nice canvas, quality canvas micarta, then I can use the term also Norplex. So, and probably lots of knife manufacturers using micarta from them, but do not quote the manufacturer. They only say it is natural micarta, because back in the days micarta was a trademark. And okay, so we have a half stop of at 60 degrees. Has a slow closing, opens really smoothly, so the pull is really nice and light, and it will snap open. Wire clip, which you probably know, is one of my favorite carrying pocket clip options on a knife. This is a deep carry option, of course. They're mounted it really high at the end of the knife, so yeah. The weight comes at 69 grams or 2.4 ounces. These are made in China, of course. Let me show you the sharpness. So these are beautiful, nice and sharp out of the box. Here are markings on the blade I forgot to show you. So we have VG10 Ostap Hel design and real steel on the other side. Okay, let me show you the pocket profile. So this is a beautiful, what I would say, all trousers or pants carry, because the wire clip will not damage your pocket, and of course this is how much it will stick out. So if you are looking for a office friendly knife, in my opinion, which is a non-aggressive, non-locking version, maybe if you are in a jurisdiction or in a state where locking knives in public are forbidden, then this is a beautiful option from Real Steel. Okay, so now let's see a comparison with my previously obtained. This is the Gslip Compact. This was the red micarta from Haney Haynes, so another exclusive. I was really lucky to get the last one they had, and they went really fast. So yeah. So here is the size difference between the full size and the compact. Okay, one more exclusive I have here on the table. Let me grab it really quickly. So is the Luna with also brown micarta. So the Luna as a platform is definitely smaller than the full size, and also even the compact. Or are they the same? They're almost the same, but a little bit smaller. So this one looks also that has the Norplex-Micarta on it. And I'm a little bit disappointed that I did not see the compact with this natural brown canvas micarta, because I would love to have a complete collection with these three designs, but it is what it is. This is a Portalgeist design, another excellent slip joint with a functional nice pocket clip and also a lanyard hole if you choose so. The Gslip does not have any lanyard hole. Okay, now let me show you a few size comparisons with other blades that I have here on the table. So let's start with CVV Elementum. Here's the QSP Penguin. Kaiserberg Lighter, another really nice option if you can have a locking knife. And And here's the Kubi Aris, Kaiser pinch, non-locking double detent slip joint, Ace Grand from Giant Mouse, Tua Knife Cebu, QSP Pelican, Concept Little Main Street, here's the Ontario Red 1, another knife exclusive with Micarta scales, Burke Bonfire, here's the Buck Sprint Pro, CVV Rustic Gent, CRKT Pillar 1 Blade Edge exclusive, $15.12 from Brother Knives, another really nice traditional modern knife from Brother, also with Micarta. And the Free Tiger or Tuna Fire 956 or Kesivo, they are going under different names, D2 and Micarta. Okay, let's continue with some more well-known knives. Also, here is the Delica, small reptilian, a large reptilian, $9.40 from Benchmade, Tucson model 111, sorry, this is not the 111, the 159, and here is the 111. So two newest additions to Tucson lineup in Micarta. And let's see, here is the Peanut from Rough Rider and K-Bar Doja Folding Hunter to round up this part of the video. Okay, so price wise, the MSRP is $79.95, but the pricing on the KnifeCenter side is at $63.60. That is without the shipping, of course, so it depends where are you in the world. They do ship worldwide, but keep in mind you will have to pay for shipping if you are outside of US. So overall, I must say this is a really beautifully made knife, very great design for Ostap Hel. Nice contouring here to feel really comfortable in the hand. A really nice spring action. This beautifully polished. There is also sorry, so there is the lanyard hole. So I was wrong. So there is the cutout for your lanyard. Yes, like on the compact. So with that being said, it has all the great features to be a beautiful and functional EDC. Great pocket clip, good stainless steel blade, so VG10 is well proven Japanese steel, and also Micarta. So yeah, I will hope that more Micarta versions will appear in the future. Sadly, I must always say that that these collaborations or these exclusives are really limiting the potential to get the knife out for everybody. Basically, if you have a specific version of a handle material locked in with only one reseller, then lots of people will miss out just because they can't afford to import these knives from United States, because let's face it, there are lots of costs involved. I will be not going inside the specifics, but I paid a really high amount of money for taxes, import fees, and all sorts of additional costs that were involved with FedEx to import these knives to me. So, but if you are in US, then you are you should be happy, because you can get this knife fairly cheap and have lots of fun with it. Also, I forgot to mention that the pocket clip is reversible, so all your left-handed users, you can get this knife and can be happy to use it in your daily rotation. So really excellent execution, probably one of the best executions lately that I seen from a well-known Chinese company that did not cut corners at any part of the knife. So because we know sometimes they will use a cheaper steel, sometimes they will omit the position of the pocket clip, and yeah, but this one is one of the probably most perfect knives that I have now in my collection. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply. And if you're subscribers, big thumbs up to you. And if you are not, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes other stuff regarding my other hobbies. So I would wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Stay safe. Bye.